Akiamana nene bakiama KUDA na arwibe kirege karogarune ya kiama keu Nairobi na Kwingatwa ore orari munini Rais Rigathi Gachagua kiamene keu ATUNE yawe NANDI bekirite munini Rais KITHURE KINDIKI munini wa munene wa kiama keu na aria kiari mukaririgiti wa UDA Hassan Omar augite baitite Gachagua kuthingatira Kwingatwa kwawe ni mbunge ya Senate. Anthony Kathenya gatumenyithia.
Nyuma ya kujiketongera munini wa rais wa kadhato ANENE ya Kenya kime kithiru Profesa KITHURE KINDIKI amirite kime kiajiri obisini eno na utongere bojero nkiama weti na mbere bwa kiama kia UDA leone kitongereto ni mwekaliete gavana wa kaunti ya Embu Cecily Mbarire na mwandiki munene wa kiama hiki Hassan Omar bakiana giratika njino netikanirite kwa obisini ya munini wa mutongero wa kiama hiki ulo wale munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua na kunenkanira tongera boboke munini wa rais umujero KITHURE KINDIKI.
The National Executive Committee now resolves to designate His Excellency Professor KITHURE KINDIKI, EGH, as the Deputy Party Leader of the United Democratic Alliance Party effective immediately. It is now my honor and pleasure to welcome you to take the seat of the Deputy Party Leader of the UJUKITIE Party.
Akiamukira tongere bobo bisini jia kiama kia UDA moja Nairobi KITHURE KINDIKI nasokarite nkado kiama giki nontoba kumunenkiro tongere bobo kiende gutira utinguki bwa kiama kia UDA ne boko dina mbele.
I must thank you for acting swiftly to make sure that our party does not experience any leadership gaps so that we move forward the same way the other constitutional process of the transition in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic has already been concluded.
Amona ukindiki na ugitagatigera muronto urumo wa kiama kia UDA no kuthina mbere amona kuga gatithire Rais William Ruto kire gutungatira Kenya wetukira kiama giki.
I am a proud member of the UDA and therefore my first responsibility is my responsibility as a loyal party member of UDA, which I have been in the past and I intend to continue being, because all of us are members of this family called UDA, and it is what has made us what we all are outside the context of this meeting. I am aware that our party stands for the unity of our country. And therefore, as this transition takes place, I want to assure you my unwavering loyalty to the ideals for which our party stands for.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, mbeta Anthony Rangi wa Kathenya.